Good afternoon, guys, and a happy 4th of July to all our American friends on this windy Thursday in the UK. You can see the mice have got the Stars and Stripes flags on the Bramble Cottage, and they've got the Harley Davidson out with the Stars and Stripes on. I think the Harley belongs to Mouse in the second cottage. Here they come for the Yorkshire tea. They're going to have a good old feast today. They've really gone to town with celebrations for our American friends. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. We hope you all have a cracking day over there. Thanks for that, mice. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.